નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students. This is ninth part of chapter 8, Mapping Your Way. I can say it is the last part of this chapter of standard 5th mathematics. In the last part we had discussed about distance between towns. Now in this one we are going to discuss Ashi's school, okay, and which is available on the page number 124, 125. So first of all, open your textbook and keep a sharpened pencil with you. Now you can see there is a map. Map 7 is there, in which you can see Ashi's school look like this from the top. So first of all, let's discuss what is there in this school. Now in this one you can see this way. You can see this way Ashi's school. First of all, look into the scale. What is that? 2 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. Remember that. And everywhere you can see small squares. Each square are of 1 centimeter length and width. Okay. Now look into the map. Here you can see garden is there. Here you can see assembly ground, hall, main gate and playground. Here you can see there is an office. Then after, there are many rooms available over there. How many rooms? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 rooms are there. Okay, let me tell you, all the rooms have same length and width. Okay, but what you should mark is that, see, door in each and every room you can see door is over here, then windows are there. So in this one, here there are doors and here are the windows. Same way here, this side the door is somewhere over here and windows is opposite to that. Okay, now look into the room also. This is 3rd A, 5th, 2nd, 1st, 4th and 3rd B. Then after here you can see this is 9th standard, 10th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard, 6th A, 6th B. In that also the doors are somewhere over here and windows are there. See, this is required. Why? Because it will be required in the answer of the questions. That is why we had discussed about. Okay, now let's go for some questions which are there. See, on the page number 125, you can see use these squares to find out. And the first question is there: how many times bigger is the area of assembly ground than that of office? How many times bigger is the area of assembly ground than that of the office? Now first of all, let's find out where is assembly ground. It is somewhere over here. Okay, how many squares are there in assembly ground? How many squares are there? Then we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Total 15 squares are there in the assembly ground. Now look into the office. Where is office? Somewhere over here. In that it covers only 3. It covers only 3. So we can say assembly ground is 5 times big. Assembly ground is 5 times big than office, isn't it? So answer should be the area of the assembly ground is 5 times than that of the office. Okay. Then second question is there: how much is the length and width of each classroom? How much is the length and the width of each classroom? Now we know that each classroom have same length and same width, but how many squares? That is what we want to find out. Before starting this, first of all, look into the scale. What is scale? 2 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. Okay, now let's look into the length in this one. This is 3rd A. Okay, now length is what? 2 squares. Length is what? 2 squares. That means 2 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter, isn't it? So 2 squares means 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter means 5 meter. So we come to know length is 5 meter. But here you can see the width. See, width is 1 square, and then after more than more than half square. You can see more than 1 centimeter here. You can see more. So the width is 1 and 1/2 and more than 1/2 square. More than 1/2 square. See, if 1 square, that is 1 centimeter, then it is 2.5 meter. Half of 5, that is 2.5 meter. Then it is more than 1.5. So we can say it is around 4 meter. So the length is 5 meter and the width is 4 meter. So the answer is A. Length 5 meter and width 4 meter. It should be the answer. Now let's go further. Here one more map is there, isn't it, of a classroom. See, third question. All the classrooms in Ashish school look like this. Look carefully and answer. So first of all, let's see. This is a classroom. You can see. This is a classroom in which, first of all, look, see. Here there is a blackboard. First of all, look, where is the door? Here. The windows over here. Okay. Mark that door and windows. Then after, in between door and window, there is a blackboard on this wall. There is a blackboard. And opposite to blackboard, what is this? Opposite to blackboard, there is a display board. Then after, in the side of the windows, after the windows, there is almirah. After the windows, there is almirah over here. And opposite to that, see, there is a door. And then after, in this space, what is there? Notice board is there. Here you can see notice board is there. Okay. So now let's go for further question. Third A. What is the question? Into the third A, we can see. First of all, third, all the classrooms in Ashish school look like this. Look carefully and answer A. Which of these is exactly opposite to the blackboard? Which of these is exactly opposite to the blackboard? Now, which are the options? Almirah, window, notice board or display board? What is exactly opposite to the blackboard? Let's see once again. See, you can see there is a blackboard over here, and opposite to that you can see display board is there, isn't it? So what is exactly opposite to the blackboard? The answer is D, display board, isn't it? Now the next one is, now look at the school map again. Guess and mark where would this be? Where would this be? Suppose blackboard in 3rd A and 7th. So first of all, find out where are the classroom 3rd A and 7th. 3rd A and 7th. In classroom 3rd A and 7th, where it could be the blackboard. Now first of all, we have to find out 3rd A. See, 3rd A is somewhere over here. Okay. Now look into this. Where is the door? See, door is somewhere over here. You can see door is over here, isn't it? Door. So in this classroom, I am keeping door over here, isn't it? So in this way, blackboard is somewhere over here, in the side of the door, isn't it? So where it could be the door, blackboard in this classroom 3rd A? Here. Why? Because door is here. So in the 3rd A, the blackboard can be over here. Then the another class is 7th. Now, where is 7th standard? Here. You can see 7th standard is over here. Now, find out the door. In 7th standard, door is over here. Here, the door is here. Then I should keep this way, ulta. Okay. I hope you must be able to see. But if the door is here, the door, see, the door is here. Okay. Now find out where is the door. Here, isn't it? So, suppose door is over here, isn't it? In this one, door is over here. But if I say, then somewhere door is over here, then the blackboard can be over here. That is why in 7th standard, door is over here, the blackboard can be over here. Mark it in your with your pencil in your map. Then and then it is possible you can be answered. Then after, the next one is almirah in 4th and 10th standard. So first of all, in 4th standard, here there is a 4th standard. Okay. Now, where is the almirah? Where is the almirah? Then almirah is over here, nearby the window. If windows are there, then almirah can be over here. Once again, look, almirah in the 4th standard. So you can see in the 4th standard, see, these are windows, here almirah. Here you can see these are windows, then almirah can be over here. So in the 4th standard also almirah can be there. And in the 10th standard, now 10th standard is here. Windows are here. So let me do this way. Then you can see windows are there, then almirahs are there. So here it can be the almirah in the 10th standard. Then after, notice board in 5th and 6th B. 5th and 6th B. First of all, where is the notice board? See, notice board is nearby the door. Notice board is on the wall where door is there, isn't it? So, notice board is nearby the door. So, first of all, find out 5th standard. 5th standard. Now, see, here there is a door. So, here it can be the notice board. Now, in 6th B. So this is 6th B. Here there is a door. Then on this wall there is a notice board. So notice board can be over here in the 6th B. Now last seat of middle row in 2nd. Last seat of middle row in 2nd standard. First of all, see this map. If there is any in between door and window, there is a blackboard. So opposite to that, see this is middle row and here. Okay. So in the middle row over here somewhere, the last bench. Last seat of middle row in 2nd standard. So first of all, let's see where is 2nd standard. See, this is 2nd standard. Okay. Now, where are the window and door? The window and door, something like this, you can see. See, this is 2nd standard. Windows, door. So here it can be blackboard. So here the middle row or in 2nd standard. Here it could be there. Okay. And the last one, display board in 1st standard. Display board. First of all, look into this. Display board is opposite to blackboard. Now blackboard, find out blackboard. Where is blackboard? In between door and window. So display board in 1st standard. See, this is 1st standard, isn't it? These are window, door and window. So here it could be the blackboard. Then here it can be the display board. So in 1st standard, here it is the display board. So this is the exercise we discussed in Ashish's classroom. You also do it with yourself and mark these things in the math 7. mark all these things in the map 7, so that you will come to know how to find out the things through the map. With this, we are ending this part as well as ending this chapter, and I hope you must be able to now understand, you must be understanding the map now, okay, and you must be understand the scale, and this way first of all, once again go for the videos, watch it 2 to 3 times, read the textbook, try to solve the exercise. Okay, so thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.